A mass shooting or major medical crisis tonight. Gwinnett County Public Schools rolling out a new alert system in all schools to help streamline response to emergencies on school grounds. Atlanta News First reporter Rachel Aragon. She's live in Lilburn tonight outside Parkview High School. Rachel, can you show us how this works?
Yeah, starting this school year, every teacher and staff member in the county will get one of these. Now, this is a demo badge, but teachers and staff members, they'll get a real one, allowing them to discreetly and immediately call for help with just a few clicks.
They can be anywhere on a campus and use their badge.
In about 2 weeks, Georgia's largest school district will have a new tool allowing school staff to immediately call for help.
We're using it in two different facets. The first facet is a staff alert.
Gwinnett County Public Schools police chief says all teachers and staff will have this crisis alert badge, allowing the person to call for help anywhere on campus with just 3 clicks.
It will send an alert to designated individuals inside the school that will receive that alert, that notification. It will pop up on their desktop computer and also on their phone. And on their phone and the desktop computer will give a map and the exact location inside the school where they've activated that alert.
So school officials will know immediately and exactly where to respond on campus. Chief Tony Lockhart says the 3-push staff alert can be used for things like a medical emergency or a major school fight. But in the case, say, of a mass shooting or life-threatening situation, staff can put the school into a hard lockdown with 8 clicks. An announcement along with flashing lights signaling to students and staff the lockdown is in place.
Before, it would have been teacher calling the front office, calling 911, getting an administrator and telling them that there is a safety emergency inside the school. Now, this streamlines the entire process. So if someone activates for a hard lockdown, that alert is going to come in within a few seconds.
And this crisis alert badge, just one of several new safety measures being rolled out this year by the district. They're also rolling out a new way to report security concerns when it comes to the school district. You can do that anonymously. And right now on our website, AtlantaNewsFirst.com, we have more information about that reporting app. Reporting live in Lilburn, Rachel Aragon, Atlanta News First.